Weeks waiting for this message. This may take a while in Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, go to the Play Store application on your device and search for Messenger application. So this is just a way to make sure that you have the latest version of the application on your device. So as you can see, there's an update available on our device for the Messenger application. So just have a tab on update and it will start updating. Now after getting it updated, all you have to do is go to the settings of your device and then scroll down to apps. Then tap on manage apps and then search for the Messenger application over here. Now you just have to wait for a while until it loads the different applications list on your device. And after you load it, then you can just go for Messenger application and then tap on the clear data option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then clear cache and OK. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here. After that, you can go back to Messenger and this might solve the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.